We have nothing to fear but fear itself. Men are not prisoners of fate, but only prisoners of their own minds. The test of our progress is not whether we add more to the abundance of those who have much. It is whether we provide enough for those who have too little. I never forget that I live in a house owned by all the American people, and that I have been given their trust. Our strength is our unity of purpose. To that high concept, there can be no end save victory. Government by organized money is just as dangerous as government by organized mobby. In politics, nothing happens by accident. If it happens, you can bet it was planned that way.